Welcome to today's video. My name is Rob and I'm going to show you how you can change the orientation or page size of a document. I'm going to choose this PDF. I'm going to open it in Word. Yes, I want to edit the document. Enable editing. Yes. So now we have a couple of documents. A document in a couple of pages. And when I check the size, it says letter, but I'm Dutch and I don't have letter, I have A4. So what do? Now it's A4. And that's all it is. You go to layout, size and A4. But there's something else I can do. I can change, for example, one page to horizontal. Let's say I want this bit in horizontal. I go to layout, size, orientation, and when I do this, the entire document is in horizontal. So that doesn't work. I go to size, paper sizes, margins, and I say I want to go to landscape, but I only want to select the text in landscape. And what you see now is that it only does the selected text. Of course, this doesn't look nice, but that's because of the document. And that's it. If I go back to layout, I can change it to A3. And then I have 2 in horizontal, in landscape, and 3 in portrait. But let's change everything back. A4, paper sizes, and I want the entire document, the whole document, in portrait. But I can also say I want size or sizes. From this page on, I want everything in landscape. So now it does it like that. And I can go back again and say size, paper sizes, and now I say from this section on, I want everything back in portrait. And now you get a whole messed up document. And I want that section in portrait too. So you can mix and match your documents to what you might need. I hope this was useful. Please let me know if it is. If you need more explanation, let me know. If you want specific subjects in new videos, let me know in the comments. Please like, subscribe and share the information so others may find this useful too. So have a nice day. Bye bye.